Question is basically rising temperature. We have a table called weather table. Okay, in this weather we have weather table, we have consecutive days 1 2 3 4 January 2015 1 2 3rd 4 first to 4 days we have some temperatures with along with the unique IDs 1 2 3 4. Now we want to find out all the date IDs, which is basically this, with high temperature compared to previous date. For example, first day temperature is 10. Okay, fine. Second day temperature is 25, which is greater than previous day. So we need to print out the 2 ID. Okay. And the third day it is 20, which is less than the previous day. So we don't want this. Fourth day the temperature is 30, which is greater than the previous one, which is 20. So we want to print this ID 4, 2 and 4. This is basically one. So as we have only one table, we need to compare the inner records of this table itself. So we have to take two tables. That means we have to do inner join kind of like with the self tables. I mean self tables we need to use. For example, so how will we use that? So consider this table itself as W1 and same table we will consider with the same replica as table 2. Okay. For example, ID 1, 2, 3, 4, Jan 1, 2, 3, 4 and 10, 25, 20 and 30. Okay. Record date, this is temperature. So consider this is as a W2. Now this is as a W1. Okay. Now you need to compare first table with the second table, check with first record. First record, check with all the records. So where previous table temperature, previous date ka record temperature should be happening, also the interval date should be the consecutive day. That means W1 temperature should be greater than W2 temperature. Okay. And W1 record date, which is W1 dot record date, okay, should be is equal to the interval date between these two, whatever the tables, I mean whatever the comparison doing, should be interval between that will be 1 day. So you'll use function called date add of, okay, w2 dot record date, okay, comma interval space 1 day. Okay, so you will do what? Select statement from this. Select first ID w1 dot id, okay, from two tables, whatever it is, w1 w2, self join whether whether w1 comma whether w2. Okay, uh, where these are the conditions you need to take. So I hope you understand. This will be little bit logical. If you write two tables beside in Excel and you compare this logic, then this will be fine.